dark and smoky room with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence.
Sissy, sissy. Okay. Taking a rest.
What is your obsession with climbing the hills?
We are on an adventure to find the ever delicious leeks. We're looking for leeks in the woods. So
Wild leeks.
wild leeks, you go early in the spring, and if you're lucky, you'll find a good patch.
They're everywhere. I've never seen them here. I mean, they're everywhere. You want to get these before they get too big.
Here's one of those New York State flowers. I don't know what they're called, but they're a protected flower. You're not supposed to pick these.
Drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You do wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You do wildfire in my heart, yeah.
I almost cried listening to Sara and her love for you and the whole process. I'm so glad you are letting us witness your awesome family. And she is right, Lucas. You are an amazing man. And your family is amazing. Thanks, Jackie from Nebraska. I thought you were done with this tile.
I wish I was done with this tile, Jackie. Congratulations, Jackie. You were last week's top comment.
Good morning, everyone. Back to the stone house. It's been a week since I put down this floor. Step one today will be to kick off all of these spin doctor guides here, and then I've got a small section of floor to tile. I've got my helpers with me today. I don't expect it to take very long, and then the remainder of the day will be we've got to go to Lowe's and get, I think we're going to try a different type of grout versus black. I bought the black grout. I think black would look okay. Sarah's leaning towards gray now. I don't really care either way. So we're going to go get some gray and see if maybe that would look a little better. Yeah, you can walk all over that now. That's as hard as stone. You know how to do it. You got to kick with the line. So you always want to make sure your foot is lined up with the line, and then
Oh, can I do it?
yeah, that's what I'm telling you how to do it.
Like this one?
No. You can see how it's in there. It's in here. It's in this line right here, so you want to put your foot on this line and kick it that way.
Like that?
Yep. They're all a little different. So, yep, that's correct. JC, do you want to help? We're just kicking these things off.
This one kicks this way?
Yep.
square foot. That's probably 5 by 5 is 25. Wow. So it almost is a full bag. 12 or half inch by half inch is just 40 to 50 square foot of space. Mixing instruction right here. 5 to 6 quarts.
I ran out of leveling things to do over here. It's only probably, I think it's 12 more pieces is what I gotta cut.
I'm excited to go
It's pretty cool. Screw it down tight, it levels your tile out. It works really good because then you don't, all the tile ends up flat. It's been working really good. Thanks, baby.
I don't hear her anyway.
Grandpa's got bad hearing.
These hearing aids ain't what they ought to be.
Yeah. Let's,
Oh, I just thought I'd stop.
back. Had to get a bag of this. I don't like getting too technical when it comes to this sort of thing because there's so many different variables and things, and if I tell you how I'm doing it, it might not be exactly how you would need to do it if you're doing it. I will tell you that when you're using the Schluter Ditra, the type of thin set that you use to set your tile matters. It needs to be an unmodified. The differences between modified and unmodified is that one is modified. Yeah. We bought a different grout. If you can see it. This is a unsanded grout and the color is pearl gray. And again, there's different types of grout. There's sanded and unsanded. The difference is one has sand in it. Okay, now that we've got all that technical stuff out of the way, I'm going to get going and get this floor down.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world stops spinning, is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? As your world stops spinning, is your head spinning My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
Chameleon eyeballs. Like Wildfire's eyeballs?
They do look like chameleon eyeballs.
Look how much we've done.
Yeah, you're about halfway there.